In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Prezi using a blank canvas. Now, if you're ready to dive into the world of dynamic presentations, let's begin. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Prezi account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is your starting point for creating any presentation. You'll notice a variety of options and tools available. But for now, let's focus on what we need to get started. Look for the option that says Create from Template. After clicking on it, you'll be presented with a range of predefined templates. However, to truly unleash your creativity and start from scratch, we'll want to focus on the choice labeled Start from Scratch, or sometimes referred to as blank canvas. This is where we can build our presentation piece by piece, exactly as we envision it, from the ground up. Once you've launched the blank canvas, the next thing we'll do is add a main topic. This will serve as the central idea or the title of your presentation. Think of it as the anchor for everything else you'll cover. It's important to clearly define what your presentation will revolve around, whether it's the introduction of a new project, an educational topic, or anything else you want to convey with clarity and impact. Now, on to creating subtopics. This is where the magic of Prezi really starts to shine. Manually create a subtopic for each section, concept, or key point you wish to address. Instead of the linear flow you might be used to with traditional slides, think about how these subtopics can spiral out from your main idea, giving your audience a more visually engaging journey through your thoughts and data. Building your content visually is the next step. Insert text, images, shapes, and icons to illustrate your story or argument. Prezi is particularly powerful because it allows you to incorporate multiple forms of media seamlessly. You can drag and drop images, insert compelling text boxes, or even add icons to highlight important data points or ideas. Be sure to utilize these to make your presentation as engaging as possible. Next, you'll arrange zoom paths and connections. This will control the flow between topics, allowing you to guide your audience logically and smoothly from one subtopic to the next. Zooming creatively and effectively can make your presentation much more engaging and easy to follow. Finally, let's focus on customization. Adjust the colors, fonts, and overall layout to fit your specific style and theme. Personalizing these elements adds a professional touch and ensures that your presentation aligns with your brand or messaging. And that's how you create a Prezi from scratch using a blank canvas. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting presentations that are as impressive as they are informative. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create something amazing.